Prime Minister Modi is back in India after his 4-day US and France tour. Prime Minister Modi welcomed US President Donald Trump's efforts to end the war in Ukraine, insisting that a solution to the conflict cannot be found on the battlefield and that dialogue and diplomacy is the only way to bring peace. In a sign of deepening bilateral ties and strong bipartisanship, India and the US have reiterated their commitment to the IMAC as well. Trump also announced the extradition of 26/11 Mumbai attack accused Tahir Rana. In a big announcement after his bilateral talks with Prime Minister Modi, US President Donald Trump said that the US has agreed to extradite 2008 Mumbai terror attack accused Tahir Rana to India. Now, the key accused in the 26/11 terror attack is currently at a high-security prison in the United States, and India has been seeking his extradition for years.
आतंकवाद के खिलाफ लड़ाई में भारत और अमेरिका दृढ़ता से साथ खड़े रहे। हम सहमत हैं कि सीमा पार आतंकवाद के उन्मूलन के लिए ठोस कार्रवाई आवश्यक है और मैं राष्ट्रपति जी का आभारी हूं कि उन्होंने 2008 के जिसने भारत में नरसंहार किया था उस मुजरिम को अब भारत के हवाले करने का निर्णय किया है। भारत की अदालतें उचित कार्यवाही करेंगी।
The United States and India will be working together like never before to confront the threat of radical Islamic terrorism, a threat all over the world, actually. Today, I'm pleased to announce that my administration has approved the extradition of one of the plotters and one of the very evil people of the world, and having to do with the horrific 2008 Mumbai terrorist attack, to face justice in India. So he's going to be going back to India to face justice. We're giving a very violent man, it seems to me. I mean, I don't know that he's been convicted yet or will be, but let's assume he's a pretty violent person. We're giving him back to India immediately, and there are more to follow because we have quite a few requests. So we work with India on crime, and we want to make it good for India, and it's very important. So that kind of a relationship is very important to us.